Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to leave a team in Dice Streams. In order to leave a team in Dice Streams, open up the Dice Streams app on your device, and once you're in the home page, tap on the team icon which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will then be able to see the team that you've joined in. Tap on the team info button right next to the team and then click on the red door exit icon in order to leave the specific team. Confirm that you want to leave the team by tapping yes, and that's how you easily leave a team on Dice Streams. When you leave a team, you will lose out on team rewards and the ability to participate in team challenges until you join a new team again. If you are a team leader, you will need to either transfer leadership to another member or disband the team before leaving. So that's how you easily learn how you can leave a team in Dice Streams. If you found the tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Dice Streams tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.